we've developed the ultra-fast combo, a 2-in-1 washer-dryer that will wash and dry a large load of laundry in about 2 hours without the hassle of transferring the load. This one-and-done solution is designed to change the laundry experience. GE Profile designed the ultra-fast combo to learn your load patterns, fabric types, and habits. Cycle times adjust from load to load based on load size, fabric type, and selected options. To help prevent overdrying, your ultra-fast combo uses sensors, lower temperatures, and high airflow for maximum care of all your laundry. At the end of the cycle, certain items and the air inside may feel slightly humid due to the airtight seal. Simply remove the items, giving them a quick shake, and they'll feel dry in seconds. A more dry option is also available. Because your ultra-fast combo is gentler on clothes, less lint will be generated. An easy-to-clean dual-stage lint filter captures microparticles, ensuring maximum airflow and fast drying. The ultra-fast combo combines speed, care, and performance in the only machine you need. One and done. This is smarter cleaning. This is GE Profile.
LuxCare Plus Wash delivers powerful cleaning performance. Most washers fill from the bottom of the tub and rely solely on motion to mix clothes with water and detergent. LuxCare Plus Wash fills water and detergent from the bottom, but also circulates it on top of the load. This dual action provides a more thorough distribution of detergent and additives for a powerful clean. With LuxCare Plus Wash, you'll get a better clean, so your favorite clothes last longer.